Money, money, money. Aha, aha, money. Money, 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 money. Aha, aha, money. Board, vision board. Let's manifest that type of shit. Yeah. This year, this year I've cut off everybody.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean, loving in and out. I'm feeling lean.
Hello Habibis, welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video, another banger. Hey, another banger. Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. Thank you and thank you so much for tuning into this sit down. Today we're doing a sit down, a little bit different, but it's get to know me, but not get to know me, you know, like at least get to know things I've learned this year, and plus my vision board for 2025. So without further ado, let's just get into that video. So today I'm gonna start with actually things I've learned, because let's start with what I've learned this year 2024 and my vision board for 2025. So things I've learned, I've written some notes right here and I want to go through it with you guys. I don't want to go deep into it, but just brush a bit out of it. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, the first thing is rest is productive. Rest is for me, pausing doesn't mean you're falling behind. It's recharging for the next step, and that's what I've learned the hard way this year. I've always felt like when I pause or when I rest, it's like I'm sleeping on business, I'm sleeping on work, I'm sleeping on myself. And this year taught me that rest is productive. Like, you do need the rest, because without the rest, even if I continue, when I'm feeling a bit exhausted, to be honest, the productivity is very, very, very low. So rest is productive. That's one thing I've learned this year, that girl, just take a breather, take that rest. The second one is authenticity wins. I've tried so many videos for the last 2 years. I've tried so many videos. I've done so many videos trying to get monetized. I've tried to copy other YouTubers. I've tried to be someone I was not, until I started becoming someone I was, you know, like actually being authentic about what I do, what I portray out there, like just me. If I'm doing something funny, let me just do it. Like, I'm not perfect, and that's all right. Like, I don't have to be that perfect person on social media just for views and for likes, really, but just being me, because I really enjoy doing social media, you know. So authenticity for me has won this year. The fact that also I've been monetized. I've been monetized this year, meaning my authentic self. People loved me for who I am. Focus is a superpower. This year I protected my energy. How do I say this? I was able to say no when I needed to say no. The distractions, I put them aside. Like, I remember in 2023, I was forgiving people, I was doing that and those, and for me, it was putting me in more danger, or rather feeling more of less of me, rather than feeling more of me. You know, you get what I'm saying? Like, I was putting other people first and putting myself second. So this year has taught me to focus, that focus is a superpower, and that protecting my energy and saying no to distraction actually makes my growth accelerates. Okay, because this year I've said no, and my growth has been like, this year, if I compare 2023, 2022 and 2024 was a lot of growth for me, which I really loved. Always my neighbors always making noise when I'm creating these videos. Okay, number 4, success loves speed. This year I have been a bit of successful. My business, my clients, my YouTube, my life, I have been, and I'm grateful to God, and I'm grateful for everything that God has given me, because sometimes I think that success loves speed because I was rushing. I wanted to do, like, when I realized what is digital products, what is this, I rushed to know what exactly digital product was, and I started doing it. Like, I didn't wait for anything, and I realized that success does love speed. When I wanted to be monetized, I pushed videos like no one's business, and I didn't want to feel like I'm doing it by force, but it comes out of my will, and success came just after that, so that's one thing I've also learned, number 4. And number 5, it's okay for me to ask for help. I don't know a lot of things. Even in my business, this year I was able to hire people, meaning I needed help, because there was a time I felt like, no, I don't need to, I can do it all by myself, but it was draining. But this year I was able to ask for help. Like, I was able to understand that I can't do everything alone. I need someone who's able to take this task away from me, take this task away from me, so that I'm able to concentrate on other things. So that was totally a win. I've got 4 more. Don't be bored by me, girl. Don't be bored. So I've got 4 more. Number 6 is celebrating every win. I have been celebrating all my wins. I don't know, like, I've not been singing, going to Maldives, going to Seychelles, buying cake. Once I reach each milestone on YouTube, I reached 3,000, I bought a cake. 4,000, bought a cake. 5,000, bought a cake. 6,000, bought a cake. Okay, manifesting 6,000. But yeah, like, I was celebrating every win, because every win matters, actually. Big or small, I don't care. I have won, because at the end of the day, that was a goal, and the goal was reached. I had to appreciate the fact that I reached that goal, and being soft to myself, like, baby girl, you're a soft girl. You're in a soft girl energy. Celebrate every win, okay? Won a client, celebrate that win. The 7th one is your circle matters. This year I've cut off everybody. Okay, not everybody, but I've cut off most of the people that were actually in my life, because their energy was not energying. Like, there are people whose energy was just not it for me. And even after I cut them off, there's a time where you feel a bit like, maybe I did something, maybe I shouldn't have, maybe they've changed. But I realized you can't change someone if they don't want to change. So this year, my circle really mattered. I had a small circle. I had this lovely lady that I met in my apartment building called Miriam. She has 3 kids, and let me tell you, she's one of the most wonderful human being I've ever met in my life. She's so soft, and she doesn't prejudice or judge me because I'm younger than her. I'm turning 25 in 2 weeks. Let's say I'm 24 in 2 weeks to 25, and she's above 35 with 3 kids. She doesn't make me feel like I'm small. She doesn't make me feel like I'm not worth it. She was always like able to incorporate me into her life and her children. Oh my God, the babies are so pretty. They're so cute. They're so adorable. I love them. So my cycle really became a bit of family oriented, smaller circle, and just less negativity, and that has been bringing more productivity in my life, and I love it for me. Number 8 is taking that leap. Any risk that I took a lot of risks this year. I took a lot of risks, and I just was able to trust in God, trust in myself, be confident that on the other side things were going to get better, and I loved it for me. Like, that the best decision actually often comes with a bit of fear, but you do it anyway. Like, I felt like there was a fear, but I still did it, and it wasn't that bad when I went the other side. After crossing that, I was like, Then why was I scared? So this year I really took a lot of leap. And the last but not least is gratitude. I have been so grateful to you, my subscriber, to God, to my family, to my partner, to everybody who has been close to my life, my friends, everybody. This year has been just grateful. Like everything that happens to me, I'm just grateful. Like small things, I pay rent, grateful. I pay bills, grateful. I travel, grateful. I do this, grateful. That has been that year. So yeah, those are actually things that I've learned. The 9 things I've learned, at least those that are ones that I remembered and put into my notes. Yeah, so I hope you guys actually do enjoy, or rather, what are you grateful, or not even grateful, what lessons have you learned this year that you'd like to share with us? Like any small thing, just let us know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, let's get into the vision board. Let's manifest that type of shit. Yeah. Let's manifest 2025. So I'll put in the screen right here or here, I'm not sure. So let's do it. Okay. On my vision board on the top, let's start from the top. Sports. Nanji, you got to go back to the gym. Yo, I every time, every year, I make manifestation. I'm gonna go back to the gym. I'm gonna take my health serious. I'm gonna do this. And then guess what? In the middle of the year, motivation. But this year, not this year, but 2025. Seriously, on a serious note, go back to the gym, Nanji. Go back to the gym. Go back to the gym. Go back to the gym. The second one is to travel, and specifically, if you can see on the place where I put the plane is actually in Europe. I'm manifesting traveling to Europe, and not just one country, darling. I want to travel Europe. I want to see Paris. I want to see Italy. I want to see UK. I want to see Germany. I want to see Switzerland. I want to see every little detail in Europe. So I'm manifesting traveling in Europe. And the most important thing for you, baby girl, to subscribe, baby girl, baby boy, to subscribe is I'm manifesting the YouTube link. I can do it. I can and I will. Let me say it again. I can and I will. I can and I will make it. I will get that plaque of YouTube. I'm manifesting that type of shit. Alright? The middle one as we go down is graduation. 1 degree hotter next year. Trust me, you. That one in the bag because I'm this close to finishing it. So that one, manifestation for real, because you never know what goes in the middle of what. The next one is a house. I'm manifesting a big house. I know I'm moving next year. I don't have enough funds to move to a bigger house that I would dream of, but I'm manifesting it because I don't know what God has a plan. No, I don't know what God's plan for me. That's the thing. I don't know what God has planned for me. Maybe he has planned for me to live in my villa, to my dream villa. So I'm manifesting living in a nice house, in a nice home. Even if it's not gonna be a villa, a beautiful, homely home. Alright? Down there, money. 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 I'm manifesting that type of shit, babe. I'm manifesting a lot of money, baby girl. You gonna be rich. You gonna buy anything you want. You gonna buy anything. You are going to be financially free. Amen. 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 Down there, love. I'm manifesting healthy relationship with my partner. I'm manifesting just healthy, loving, trustworthy, good relationship. I'm manifesting. No, I cannot tell you in the camera. So I'm not gonna say that, but just know I'm manifesting that type of love, because next year might be my year. Then the last but not least, I'm manifesting a car. I am manifesting a driving license first. Dubai. How many times have I called your name? I am manifesting driving license in Dubai and a car, okay? Might not be the Mercedes, might be just a small car, Subaru. I'm manifesting just any type of car, even if it's a small tiny car. At least I have the driving license and I'll be able to move around. So that's my vision board. So that is my vision board. I hope you actually have a vision board. You have a plan, because me, I always say vision boards are plan. You're planning for next year. My manifestation is actually real. I think I manifested a lot of things in 2022. Even my students are reminding me, you were manifesting traveling and all that, and now you're traveling. So I sometimes tell people that you need to actually manifest to make it, to say it to the universe. The universe gives you what you want, okay? So for me, the universe, this is what I want. So this is what I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna get it. Even if it's not next year, it's gonna be the next, and the next. Manifestation works. I don't know, I've watched YouTube videos saying that the vision boards don't work. Yo, mine worked, so yours are definitely going to work. So I'm telling you, manifest that thing, okay? This is my vision board and things I have learned in 2024. I hope you did enjoy this video, baby girls, baby boys, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Oh, I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for everything that you're watching this video, viewing this video, watching the video, liking, commenting, everything. I appreciate each and every one of you, and let's continue with the momentum. Tomorrow again, Vlogmas. Bye bye.